first you have to read that expression. This is one step. Then if it is an operand, now again the case of operand, then you have to push. This time operand has to push. First time in the previous there was operator to push. Now here operand has to push, and if operator is there, just note it down, then you have to pop two values. Whatever the values are there, you have to pop them. That's it. Then you have to perform whatever the operation is there, you have to perform that. Okay, and then result has to be back pushed in the stack so that we can read. Okay, it's little bit of theory and theory. No, we are going to perform it with the example quickly. Okay, so we will see how it is there and what is the type of evaluation. So if I say 7, 8, 2, star, 4 slash plus, it's very, if I'm taking 2, 3 star, we know that 3 2s are 6. So it will be very simple example. We're just taking a complicated one. Okay, so how exactly it is going to? Very step by step. What it says, if it is an operand, then it has to be. So 7 has to pop pushed. Then what will be? Okay, read the postfix expression. So we are going to read it. So first will be what? 7. Then it is. Then I'm putting what? 8. Then what? Then 2, and then star. Then star. This is the step. So read the postfix expression. If operand. So if operand is this, if the expression is having an operand, then push to the stack. So I am going to push it here, and when the star is an operator here, remember star is an operator, this is not here to push. I'm so sorry. I just whenever the star is there, what is the algorithm? Algorithm says this is an algorithm that you have to pop the two values. So I'm going to pop them, and then you have to evaluate on the basis of this operator. So what will be the first step? 8 into 2, that will be 16. Okay, now very good. I evaluated it. Great. So evaluate, perform the operation, push back to the stack. So now if I just go with the stack, this is 7. Now it has to be pushed. So 16 will be again, and now again it will read the expression. What is next? Next is 4. So it has to push. If you just go with this, it has to push, right? Just do yourself with me. So 4. Now again there is a slash sign. That means now when the slash sign is there, 16 will be popped, 4 will be popped. And what is the operation? It is slash. That means 16 divided by 4. So what will be the answer? 4 will be the answer. Again it has to be pushed. Very good. So 7 and then 4. And then what is next? Operator, that is plus. It is not an operand. So plus, so whether it has to be pushed? No. So it will take the two values according to, just rewind the video and just carefully listen to the algorithm. So 7 and 4, it has to pop the two values. So 4 and 7. What is an operator? Operator is here plus sign, not the star, not the multiply. It's a plus sign. So what we are going to? 4 plus 7, that is 11, right? So now for this expression, that is 7, 8, 2 multiplied by 4 slash, and I think the last one is what? Last one, if you all remember what was the value? 782 star 4 slash and plus, right? So how it is going to execute? 8 multiplied by 2 first, it will give 16. Then 16 divided by 4, it is going to give 4. 7 then is 7 plus 4, and it is going to give 11. And now in the stack, again result has to be pushed, that is 11. And when I have to read the value, I have to pop it, and answer will be 11 is the value for it, right? So this is the result.